How to turn on or turn off locations on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Microsoft Edge browser. This is homepage, as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click on those three dots right here, as you can see, and go down, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page, as you can see. Now go right here, click on cookies and site permissions. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is simple. Just go right here, scroll down until you find notifications. Click right here, and now as you can see, you can enable or disable notifications from here. You can block or allow. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.